Esteroya Bokaldstova is an accounting and auditing firm serving both companies and individuals. It was founded in 1979 by Napoleon Justinian, whose life has continually been ingrained with accounting and auditing. This gives Esteroya Bokaldstova a specialized advantage, which has brought them many clients over the years, specifically Esteroy. In 2007, Napoleon moved the company into Hoyalon, a new building located in the center of Runavík. The company now has 2 employees and works in conjunction with Grand Skólastovan, an auditing company located in the same building. Esteroya Bokaldstova is open weekdays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and is located at Hoya Virar 31, Saltangara. The next time you feel crunched by numbers, come see how Esteroya Bokaldstova can ease your stress.